So easy, everywhere coming off. Oh, you see, it's just falling, and just only some places, little bit, it's not that bad, but still coming off easily. So even this is already off, you see. Yeah, first one is ready and it's going on the wall. This plasterboard is bent little bit like this. You see the no perfectly straight, bent a bit, but this one is bent this way. So when I put it on, they nicely match. But if I put this bent one opposite, look at what happened. You see? So just to keep them straight, this is how they're gonna be nice and flush on this wall. Color doesn't matter. It's nice and smooth here. Now this stuff is moving, so the adhesive press, so it's gonna be stronger than this. Extra screws and should be okay. So now when it's all done, I want to fill the gaps. Finish. Seven liters, 7 meters square. No wastage at all. At all. Now 80 centimeters. a moment and I need to smooth it and finish. All wall nicely done. My floor, I mop the floor, so job is finished. Nice and small.